Hey, what's up? Sammy here.
Sammy here.
So today in this video we are going to take a quick look at the Xiaomi Pad 6.
There is a lot of features for you guys, so let's check it out.
Yeah, yesterday I already done an unboxing, so I'm not gonna unbox in this video. You can check out Sammy's channel if you want to see the unboxing. Link in the description. So we'll just go through the design, do some tests, what's new about the gestures and other things maybe, right?
Yeah, but don't forget to check the other videos because Sammy made a bunch of videos about the new products.
A shit ton of. Okay, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to Sammy's channel, link in the description. Now, let's get started. So right, this is the Xiaomi Pad 6. And they have a Pro version, but compared to this Pad 6, the Pro version only changed the processor to Snapdragon 8 Plus, and also the battery is 8600 mAh, which is a little bit lower than the Xiaomi Pad 6, but got bigger charger like this one. Mi Pad 6 is 33 watts charger. And speaking of the specs, let's go over the official specs for this Pad 6. The Snapdragon 870, Mi Pad 14, 11-inch 2.8K screen. They also have a bunch of tools for the video conference. It also supports the keyboard and pencil. Alright, that's the specs. So let me walk you through the design. So on the top we have the speaker. It has quad speakers, so 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. At the top, and it supports Dolby Vision Adams. And here is the power key. Here the volume rocker, a mic. And here is the slot for that magnetic pin. Just attach here. Mic. Type C. And some of you guys ask if this tablet supports like SIM card or something. No, it does not support, but it does support 5G connectivity. And here we have the charging contacts, which is to connect the keyboard, Xiaomi logo. And for the camera, the camera module, it looks like they took it from Xiaomi 13 or Xiaomi Mix, right? For the specs, it just lists on screen, and they said it has good selfie photos or videos. So let's take some photos. So the video supports 1080, 30 FPS, the maximum. We'll just take some. Okay, to see if it's good or not. Let's see me. Okay. Let's see the lights. Seems good. Sammy, I'm gonna take you some photos, videos. Okay, good model. Okay, that's the videos. Photos, videos. Okay, good model. Okay, that's the videos. So video footage. Let me check the resolution. It's supposed to 4K 30 FPS. But I mean, who would use the tablet to make videos, right? So just have a look, alright? Just have a look. Okay, that's the main photo. 2 and then 10. Okay, that's it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Alright. And this is the tablet case, okay? And you can just like that and put to a table. You can watch some videos, watch some TikTok videos while eating your lunch. Or speaking of that, let's test the sound. How to smoke. For some of you guys, if it's compatible with the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro keyboard, no, it does not. You see, even the camera module is different. Okay, so you cannot just use it. So you have to buy a new one. But in the shop, they didn't have the keypad and also the pen for the Xiaomi Pad 6, so I'm unable to show you that. All right, let me just draw some pictures, maybe for you, just to have some fun. I will use my finger as a pen. What does this mean? Oh, the leg is really minimal. You cannot feel it. Seems very smooth. And one important feature about the screen I have to mention is it supports up to 144 Hz refresh rate. You can choose the 16, 19 or 144. In case you just want to use it to play some games, you know, because the Pro version is even better with more powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus. So you can play some games like Genshin Impact, this heavy games without a hiccup. Now let me walk you through some new gesture controls. So it supports screen split, of course. So when you're in an app, you can swipe 3 fingers, swipe right, and then you split the screen. You can then add other, like whatever you want. Like you can one way to browse TikTok, another screen to buy something. So that's convenient. And as you can see from here, it will like automatically generate your recent apps you just split. So next time you just open it and use it. I've just checked their official page. They said many cool things about it. Like they have some video conference tools. Like you can use it for video conference, like blah blah blah. But I didn't see all of these tools. I didn't see any of these tools. Maybe it's the system or something, I don't know. But yeah, you can also connect to the PC and just switch different devices seamlessly. I showed that before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. And that's basically my first impression about it. Alright, so that's a quick look at the Xiaomi Pad 6. Simi, what do you think?
I think they include a lot of new features, right?
Yeah. Like lots of new features, but some of the features I cannot experience. Maybe the software is not finished yet. But overall, I'm positive about this. It's lightweight thing, and the sound is good, the screen is great, and it's powerful. Used to play some games, should be alright. So what do you use most for this kind of pad?
I think the most important thing is for work, and then
work.
Yeah, I like it for work, and then to watch videos. I think this is the main thing for me.
Yeah.
Playing games, I think, is a little too big to hold and play. Then I prefer playing games on mobile phones, but I think this is a good device. It's really affordable, and it comes with great features.
Yeah, that's true. That's right. So, folks, if this is available in your country, just go and get it. Thanks for watching, Sammy.
See me. Bye
Bye-bye.